Hi traders, hope you had a great trading week. I'm on the Aussie Yen daily chart, got my monthly, weekly, day support and resistance levels all drawn in. They're referenced in the description below. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. Now the Aussie Yen advanced back up to the top of the range last week, testing 91.86 up to 92.43 daily resistance area. Will price fail this resistance area for a move back down? May see a further retest of this area next week. But does that area hold as resistance to move back down to test daily support at 90.77? Now moving on to the Aussie dollar, only just finished positive for the week, did put in a lower top, lower bottom, holding on weekly support 66.29. Next week, can we move down and through weekly support and daily support to the lower level of weekly support? Or once more, does the 66.29 to 66.19 area of support hold for a move back up the range? Lower top, lower bottom, can that downtrend continue to move through support next week? Alright, moving on to Euro Yen. Now this looks like a new uptrend, however, we've just hit major monthly resistance, the February 2015 high. So will this monthly resistance hold the market? Moved back below daily resistance at 149.26 and rejected that area on Friday, so we may retest. Of course we can move above this area next week, but does this area get retested, hold for a move back down to test monthly support high over here? There is a 62% level in here from high to low, so this could be a failure point for a move back down the range this week. Alright traders, moving on to Euro dollar. Now nice decline down, further minor lower top formed at the 10900 level, just trapped a little bit between now day support 107.59, just below weekly support at 107.36, and Friday we moved back up to hold at daily resistance at 108.31, so a little bit of a support and resistance area here that we're trapped in. Clear downtrend here. Question will be at the start of the week, can we move down and through this support area 107.59 to 107.36? Can we move down and through and test the 10700 level next week? This level could act as support for a bounce back up to retest 108.31 next week, so a little bit trapped there at the end of the week. Can we break down through the next levels of support? Alright traders, onto the pound yen. Came up and tested on Friday the major monthly resistance level once more, so twice now we've tested and held there, 172.13. Reversal day, are we going to hold at the resistance level and move back down the range this week? So we could come up for a retest. If we do, does that hold to move down back below day support 171.17 to move back down the range? Of course we could break higher, but I don't buy into resistance, so failing at resistance on Friday, will that hold for a move back down the range this week? Alright traders, last pair to review for the weekend, pound dollar. Now it was a little bit slow going, but it did hold at an old high here, 125.46 on a rally. Has put in a lower top, lower bottom now, so a downtrend is forming. It did just manage to close below this old double top, so is that level now breaking and potentially becoming resistance? So at the start of the week, clear level to watch is 124.48. Does that hold as resistance? Possibly now, for a move down to test day support 123.67, and can we move below that level? Downtrend, lower top, lower bottom, can that now hold to move below the next level of support. 3 lows here to the left that could break next week, and that could then see a much more continued decline if you can break below these 3 levels of support. So 124.48 is a key level to watch at the start of the week. Does that now hold as resistance for a move below day support at 123.67? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan.bray at acy.com to get access.